How to transfer GB WhatsApp data to new phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. Today, I've got an easy step-by-step guide for you on how to transfer your GB WhatsApp data to your new phone without losing any chats, photos, or videos. Whether you're upgrading or switching devices, this tutorial will make the process super simple. Let's dive in and get your data safely transferred. To get started, click the link in the description below to download and install TenorShare iCare Phone Transfer on your computer. Once installed, connect both your old Android phone and your new Android phone to the computer using USB cables. Next, open the software and select the Transfer GB WhatsApp to GB WhatsApp option from the menu at the top. After ensuring everything is set up correctly, click on Transfer to begin the process. The first step involves backing up GB WhatsApp on the source Android phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the backup. As the program begins to retrieve your GB WhatsApp data, make sure not to disconnect your devices during this process. Once the data has been retrieved, you'll be prompted to choose the types of GB WhatsApp data you wish to transfer. Simply select the data you want to move. Any unselected data types will not be included in the transfer. After that, sit back and wait as the GB WhatsApp transfer gets underway. The software will handle everything for you. Finally, once the transfer is complete, you'll see a confirmation that your GB WhatsApp data has been successfully moved to the new device. At this stage, just follow the on-screen instructions to restore the data, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your GB WhatsApp data to your new phone without losing a single chat, photo, or video. I hope this step-by-step guide made the process super easy for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Guide Genie for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Take care and happy chatting.